everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to be back again with another fashion haul, and it's going to be BOOHOO clothing haul. I'm just going to be showing you guys the few pieces I picked from BOOHOO, and yeah, so let me just go to their app right now and just show you guys what I picked. Oh my god guys, I ordered this stuff in January, 26th of January guys. Today's 25th of April. This clothes guys, I've been seeing it in my room, but I just don't know why I've not opened my package. Everything here guys is 156 euros for 14 items. On their website I went there to see if I can see the details of the outfits. I can't really click on the outfit. But anyways, let's get into the video. I'm wearing this and this. Both of them are one of my favorites, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the black t-shirt. Oh my god, I'm actually wearing it right now guys. It's a soft ribbed shoulder pad loose t-shirt. It's a very nice t-shirt. It's so comfy. I love it, and it's actually size 38, I think about 10, which I think is really nice. You can really style this t-shirt with anything. You can see right now I'm really rocking this t-shirt with this one right now. I think they really go well together. I actually picked this color of t-shirt to go with this on the website when I saw it, because the model that was wearing this pinafore dress was wearing a black t-shirt, and I was like, you know what, I have to pick this black t-shirt for this dress, which I really love. And unfortunately guys, today I'm actually filming outside because the sun is really shining. This area was like, you can't even see me in this place, like everywhere was dark. You can't see my face, I was dark. I have no choice than to go outside to film this. I hope you guys understand that. Like I said, I could not check the details of the t-shirt. From what I can feel, I think it's a little bit of cotton, maybe polyester, because it's not really like extraordinary soft, but it's really nice. And the dress is a woven shirt pinafore mini dress. The dress is so nice, I love it, and I picked size 38. I just don't know why they are showing me size 38. I think that's size 10. I'm so bad at conversion, so I think that's size 10. Yeah, I think this is good for spring, it's good for summer. This is actually meant to be a spring outfit because I picked this up in January. The plan was to wear this in spring, but unfortunately we are now in summer. So I think I'm still gonna rock this one in summer. Like, it's really nice. I'm gonna rock this in summer. It's a very lovely pink, and it's actually a crepe ruffle detail bodysuit. I think the ruffle is really nice. I love the style, the design, but I just don't think it's for me because it's really opening. Like, some people are just blessed with having tiny boobs. For me, I have a very, you get what I mean? I can't really wear something like this without a bra, and my bra was really showing. I don't think this is what I'm really gonna wear. I think I'm just gonna give this out really because everything is just showing. I just don't think it's for me. Some will like this. Maybe if I wear this, like, you know, some will like this. It's a very nice bodysuit. The fabric is nice as well. It's very soft. It's size 10. It was a perfect size, but for whatever reason, it looks good. I think if you are the type that doesn't really have a big boobs, that pink bodysuit will be for you. So the next one is another bodysuit, guys. This one is so nice. I really like it. So this one is a zebra print mesh low back bodysuit. It's a zebra print, as you can see. I love the color, the stone. I love the fact that the front is not really see-through, so that way you can't really see what I'm wearing really. I know you can see a little bit, but not too much. This one is another size 10 because my boobs are very big, so if I should wear it as a bodysuit, I think it's not really nice. It's just so small for me. Just tuck this area in and people will think it's a bodysuit. That's the only way I can wear it. I really like the shoulder. I always love anything that is showing my shoulder. Thinking of cutting it, so maybe I might cut it. I really love the color. I don't think this is really sexy. It's a very nice onesie, size 10 again. Maybe I would have even preferred if it was size 12, maybe just a little bit more bogus for me. And the color is charcoal, something I will wear around the house. The most important thing is that it's very soft on my skin. That is the most important thing, and I think the length is just perfect. I love the fact that it's not a crew neck. I love crew neck when it's like a t-shirt, I don't mind, but when it's like something like this, I just think it's just going to be so tight on my neck. So this one is a high shine A-line mini skirt. Can even wear this in summer because the color is very bright, it's nice. What I don't love about it is the fact that it's really shiny, and there's thread sticking out as well. On the website, I didn't know it was this shiny really. I love when my leather is a little bit more toned down, just don't have shine. When there's shine for me, that just make it look so cheap. I don't know, that is me. So this high shine, I'm not really a fan. I'm gonna be wearing it though because of the color. I think it's a very nice color. There's nothing special. It doesn't really have a stretch. It has a zip here. Perfect size for me. It's cropped elastic tape square neck bodysuit in tan, size 10. I would have preferred if I picked size 12 or even size 14. I just think because it has so much stretch on it, it's so tight on me. I really love the strap. This is the reason why I picked it. I just think this square neck is just so stylish. I really love the detail here. That's one of the reasons I picked it. Unfortunately, it's really tight, and yeah, it's really tight, but I'm still gonna wear it every now and then. I love the color. I really like it. I don't know why I didn't pick big size. The prices are not here, and I can't click on this outfit so I can go to the details of what I ordered. For whatever reason, guys, unfortunately there's no prices on them. Oh my god, guys, let me show you guys this one. I don't know why I picked this. I don't know why we order something like this on the website, guys. This dress is so pretty. It doesn't really have so much shine. It's just so nice. It's size 40. I think that should be size 12. And this is just like Mama Claus. This is Mama Claus outfit, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. Why we picked some. Did you guys see this? This is Mama Claus, guys. I don't think I will ever wear this dress. I'm just gonna give it out. Or maybe Christmas time. Yeah, maybe I'll wear this over Christmas. Just for fun. Maybe I'll try to do a Christmas party in the house. Because I don't want to wear this dress out. No. Abby, what were you thinking? You just picked this outfit. Are you kidding me? Really? No, this is a no. This is I would say Santa Claus outfit. So this one is sequin wrap feather trim made dress in size 12 yard, and the color is gold. This one doesn't look like gold, guys. It looks like rose gold. I love sequins, guys. I have some few sequins dresses, but they don't really have shine to it. There's one silver one I have, which is so nice. Kind of wrap that it is, because when you tie it at the back, it's really long. I don't think this is really nice enough. I think it's too big. I just don't know. I don't understand the dress. I'm not gonna lie. So I think that is enough of this dress right now. Mama Christmas outfit. Tom was really laughing when I showed him that dress. This one is their premium leather look, same detail sculpting trouser in black, and it's size 8. Oh my god, I can see why it's so tight on me. That was actually my fault, guys, because all the leathers I've actually bought in the past, I don't know, for whatever reason, it just looks so big on me. My size is actually size 10 at the moment when it comes to trouser. I was worried it's going to be too big, and this one is more like a leggings kind of style, and I think that's why it's so tight on me. I love the look. I just think it's not really shiny. It's stretchy anyways. I can still get away with it. It's not something I'm going to be wearing all the time. Like if I'm in a rush, it's not the kind of leather trouser I'm going to be wearing. Maybe style this with like a white shirt, like a t-shirt, something that is just more baggy. I think it will be nice. I really like it. I think it's a very soft leather. I love this one. It's not bad. Pinstripe plated tennis skirt of white, and in size 10, which is really nice. I think it's a cotton material. It's so soft. I just love the stripe. Thin stripe, which I love. I just don't like when they are very bold. And I think the size is a perfect size 10, which I just love that freeness. I love that freedom when it comes to my outfit these days. I just love comfort. Yeah, which one is this one? This one is a high neck, one shoulder rib bodysuit. I just don't know. Everything I picked was just bodysuit. I just wanted to be sexy. But anyways, it's a white size 10. I think it's a very nice one, but I think I would have picked size 12. This size 12 would have been perfect because then it would have been too tight on my skin. Though I will still be wearing it, but it's just a little bit tight. I would have preferred if it was more free. So the material is stretchy. I don't have anything against it. Yeah, so that's for that. Nothing special. Yeah, these jeans, guys. I would say this is actually my favorite out of everything I picked. I love it. It's so soft. This is the kind of jeans I can wear in the house. I Rise Acid Wash Distress Mom jeans, and black size 10, which is just the perfect size. I always have problem when it comes to my jeans. When I buy jeans, is either the jeans is too short, the jeans is, because my body shape is very weird. Like I have a big waist at the moment. I'm wearing size 10, but my hips, I don't have hips. I really lack hips. My hips area is just, it's like they slap it at the side. It doesn't really have anything there. So when I buy a jeans, can be tight on my waist. When it gets to the hips, I I don't understand it. It's like my grandfather's jeans. This one is just perfect. I just think it's just a perfect oversize. Though the hips are not showing, though my bum is not showing, not really too tight and showing so much. I think that's very classic, which I love. The hardware is really nice. It's not shiny. Like it's a metal, but it's really like not shiny, and the material is so soft. I love this. So it's actually a ripped jeans. I don't know if you guys can see this. I remember this was quite expensive, but I don't really know how much I paid anymore. I almost forgot this one. This one is a sequin wrap long sleeve bodysuit in gold, size 10, and this is it, guys. This one, I don't know what to say. I don't know why I picked so much sequin gold. This one is so small, like the front is just opening. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe if it was, I don't know, maybe if it was small, it would have been better. Maybe if it was big, I don't know. I don't see myself wearing this again. Everything I picked, guys, I think this thing must be sales. You know when you see things on sales, you just want to pick, even when you don't need it. Like at the moment, guys, I'm a changed person. It's 2021 January I picked this, but now we're in April, I've changed. Because sometimes those sales can be very attractive. You're like, oh, this used to be like 100 euros, not 10 euros or 20 euros. You're like, it's a very good bargain, let me buy. I think I picked all these things on sale. I don't see myself buying these things in full price. I think that's what happened. I'm not really a fan of this one. I don't see myself wearing this one at all because it's really opening. The only way I can wear this, maybe I can wear like something inside. Yeah, maybe I can do that. And on the website, guys, it looks really dark. You know, there are some sequins that has a little bit of gold. That is what I was thinking. But right now, it just looked golden, which is just so different from what I saw when I picked it. And on the model, again, she doesn't really have boobs. If you have boobs, just go with something that you know will cover this area. You know when you see something on these models that doesn't really have big chest, and you're like, oh my god, this is so nice, it's just revealing. But you go and buy it, you know what life is all about. That is what happened to me right now. That is what happened to me. I think I showed you guys everything already. I bought 13 items altogether, and out of that 13 I liked 9, and about 4 of them is my very favorite, which is these jeans and this skirt. Yeah, I think 5 of them is my absolute favorite. 1, 2, 3, and this leather one. I think they are very nice, but I would have preferred if there was a little bit looser. These ones is a no department. This one maybe I can wear it every night. I don't really know what I was thinking, guys, but that's part of it. I think I picked everything on sales. That's what happens when you buy stuff on sales. You know what I've learned, you know, you make mistakes in life. Since I've been shopping now, I've been really smart with shopping. I've really been buying things that I really need. When I don't need something, I don't buy. Just don't buy things because I want them. Maybe you have made the same mistake as me, buying stuff because they're on sale. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy I'm still able to do the video. If you're new to my channel and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. And even when you're not new, you are my old subscribers, please just like and share this video if you really like it. I hope I catch you guys again in my next video. I love you all, but Jesus loves you more.